Chevra was standing out here on Cortelyou Road, 318 Cortelyou Road by Carpathian. To the Zimmer jetzt, jeder will vacation, jeder hat in der Carpathian Bay. Mal kicken wir den Ari.
Hello, how are
What's
you?
Nice? What are you doing here?
Stopped in here for coffee and look at that. Now you're doing a video. Check it out.
Anybody heading towards Ocean Parkway, they want to know where to get the good
This
stuff.
is the place.
That's where they know how to
Or
get the
towards
good
McDonald's.
stuff.
They go either way.
Yeah, either way.
When you're coming back from the country.
Exactly where you're going.
That's right.
You stop over here for a coffee. Look at this.
Ari, you're somebody who understands coffee. I'm gonna Ari. I heard so much about your upstate location. I'm just gonna make a vlog upstate in your location.
Okay, we're gonna Swan Lake. When we stop state next.
Guys on Dave upstate.
Yeah, well, let's go. Let's do it. It's beautiful. You're gonna love it.
In Swan Lake.
In Swan Lake. Yeah.
Okay, Chevra, full vlog coming of Ari's
Beautiful
place.
campground. It's very nice.
All right, Chevra. Ari,
Also, you know, I used to own a coffee shop too back
Oh,
in the
okay.
days. Yeah, it happens.
Yeah,
to
okay,
be.
so this is considered a good coffee, Ari. If you come here to buy coffee, this is a good coffee place. Wow, so let me hear Aaron from Carpathian, the alte Carpathische, authentic food. Let me hear a little what this bakery is about, a little shop. I love the pictures on the walls, like an echte, authentic Vatsatische store.
So if you take a look, we have a very sophisticated, very expensive coffee machinery. We don't have any of that pre-made, extra sugary stuff. We make a real espresso. Our coffee is actually roasted right here in Borough Park by 1982 coffee roasters.
Wow.
So it's roasted fresh every week.
Nice.
And it doesn't sit in the. We have a small selection, but everything is good quality, and we try everything is echte milchiks. We don't have any shortening or margarine or anything like that.
Wow.
We try to have as much as we can, like homemade style, real butter.
The real deal.
And that's it. Anyone's heading to Flatbush, we're open pretty early. We're open at 7. Anyone's going to the city, going upstate, you can pass by, get a
So
good
anybody
schmack
coming
from
from Borough
Zionist.
Park, technically,
Yeah.
or even Flatbush, this is on the way. Cortelyou Road and East 3rd.
Sure. But at
Stop off over here.
At the same time, it's not just a stop off. We're trying to make a matziv in
An actual
Kensington.
vibe for itself.
Because Kensington, the past couple of years, or as long as I know it, is very quiet.
Very dead. You're trying to revive
There's not a
Kensington.
geschmack place to just stop by, get something to eat, meet another yid.
Make Kensington great again.
That's right.
Let me see a little of the Danishes over here.
So we have a nice selection. We have
Wow.
our chocolate chip cookies are really popular. I make it in-house right here. Nice, nice crunchy,
Wow,
gooey
look
inside.
at the Danishes over here. So this is the recipes are from Carpathia.
So the Carpathian region has so many cultures mixed in: Hungarian, Russian, Ukrainian, Slovakian. So there isn't so many distinct Carpathian recipes, but
I love the walls. Those are the Carpathian Mountains over there?
Yeah, sure.
Carpathian Bay. Wow. So you got a nice selection of drinks
Yeah,
over
we have
here.
Fruits, a lot of natural stuff. I make homemade compote, tiramisu, a lot of nice stuff.
This is a place for a person who likes nostalgia, who likes authenticity.
It's a themed cafe. So people come into a place and there's a theme, and it's almost like a little bit of a museum. You can come in, you can talk about the Carpathian region.
You can sit down at a chair, have a schmooze with the Aaron about the old Carpathian people, about the old Carpathian
all the
rabbis.
pictures are different scenes from the Carpathian region.
I love that. What else do you have over? You have a breakfast if somebody wants a breakfast?
Yeah, so we have a very popular breakfast special, very cheap, very delicious. And then Amir Hashem also we're going to have pizza soon.
Oh wow,
So,
pizza's coming here. Carpathian pizza.
I'm getting these delicious sourdough pre-made pizza.
Woof!
And we're just I add the cheese, whatever cheeses I want, pop it in the oven.
Nice.
And so we're really trying to build up a matziv here in Kensington.
Awesome. Aaron, wherever we go, we make a Perlowitz promotion. What is going to be today's promotion, Aaron?
So right now until Chodesh Shav, we're going to have a promotion. If you come and buy Mazonis, you get a free small coffee.
Wow,
and you're going to love it. You're going to come back every time. Once you try that coffee, you're going to say, Shul coffee, never again.
Shul coffee, never again.
Have
a good kick. Look at this Danish. Can I squeeze it, please?
Sure.
Kick out that chocolate. Kick out that chocolate over there. Have to come and get yourself a delicious Danish, authentic Danish, and get a coffee on the house. There's a beautiful seating area right over here. Name the Rebbe. You can sit right here. Beautiful. The wood is from Ungvar, no?
That's right. I cut down that tree.
You cut the tree in Ungvar and brought it up over here. Kevin, checking over here. The address is?
The address is 318 Cortelyou Road.
Phone number if somebody wants to make an order?
516-589-0041. If you're going towards Ocean Parkway, I'll have your order ready and you're ready to go.
Check out WhatsApp. I'll have it ready. Kevin, hat's maar lichting in toog.